Have you ever wondered what would happen if you ate chia seeds every single day for just 1 week? These tiny seeds are more powerful than they look, and today, I'm going to show you exactly what they can do for your body. Day 1. Starting your chia journey on day 1, you may not feel anything special. But trust me, things are already starting inside your body. Chia seeds are packed with fiber, omega-3 fats, and antioxidants. Once they soak in water, they form a gel-like texture that helps your digestion. Day 2, feeling fuller, longer. By day 2, you might notice you're not as hungry as usual. That's because chia seeds expand in your stomach, helping you feel full and control cravings. Perfect if you're trying to lose weight or avoid snacking. Day 3, better digestion. Day 3, your digestion starts to thank you. The high fiber helps clean out your system, reduce bloating, and keep your bathroom visits regular. No more sluggish tummy. Day 4, energy boost. Chia seeds release energy slowly. That means no sugar crashes. On day 4, you might feel more steady energy throughout the day, especially if you eat chia seeds in the morning. Day 5, clearer skin. By day 5, some people even start to notice changes in their skin. Chia seeds are rich in omega-3s and antioxidants. These help reduce inflammation and support glowing, clear skin from the inside out. Day 6, heart and brain support. Chia seeds help lower bad cholesterol and support heart health. They also contain nutrients like magnesium and ALA that are good for brain function. Day 6 is all about the inside health you don't always see, but feel. Day 7, results you can feel. After 7 days, your body is more hydrated, your digestion is smoother, and you may feel lighter, more focused, and energized. All from one tiny seed. How to eat chia seeds safely. But wait. Don't eat chia seeds dry, always soak them first in water or mix them into yogurt, smoothies, or oatmeal. Start with 1 tablespoon per day and drink lots of water. Simple and natural, so that's what happens when you eat chia seeds every day for a week. Try it yourself and see how your body feels. Sometimes, the smallest changes make the biggest difference.